customer says they want to shop around and check other dealerships first. That's a common response and a natural part of the buying process, but it's also your chance to make your offer and experience stand out. Here's how you can use AI to help you respond in a way that's respectful, confident, and value-driven. Start a new chat and try this prompt. Act as a professional sales manager. A customer says, "I want to shop around and look at other dealerships first. How can I respond in a way that's respectful, highlights what makes our dealership different, and keeps the door open?" AI will suggest ways to acknowledge the customer's need to compare while gently reinforcing your value, like unique service perks, pricing transparency, or the personalized experience they won't get elsewhere. It's about planting the seed that they might not need to look any further.
Use AI, sell more cars, drive the future, reach the stars, with a friend so smart, close at hand, selling dreams across the land.